Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: a Google account with billing and AI Studio access, plus your raw footage and a script. Once done, create a new AI Studio project and name it clearly. Upload your footage, voiceover or TTS file, and brand assets into the project panel. Make sure to set output resolution to 1920x 1080 and frame rate to 30 to avoid later re-rendering. Then add a new video composition and drag your primary clip onto the timeline to begin. Now you refine. Split clips into logical scenes and trim to the beats that carry the message. Once done, set AI parameters. Pick a visual style, adjust pacing and motion smoothing, and select a color tone to match your brand. Make sure to add B-roll and text overlays where emphasis is required, and enable audio ducking at around -6 decibels so narration stays clear. Finally, preview scene transitions, adjust clip keyframes, and log tracks before final export. For the final steps, choose an export preset, H.264 at 12 Mbps for web, or HEVC to reduce file size, and render your project. Once done, watch the full render to verify audio sync, captions, and color across scenes. If everything looks good, upload to your platform. If you hit issues, try the key troubleshooting. Clear the app cache, lower the export bitrate, or split the project and export in parts. This usually resolves memory or codec failures without losing quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.